Hello guys, my name is Kate. I'm a telecommunication expert of Anthrax, and today I will tell you how GSM Terminator can earn money. Now I will show you guys how the GSM Terminator can be a part of telecommunication business and earn money on international calls. So let's refresh the memory of how international call goes. And what part does the GSM Terminator take in this international call scheme?
GSM termination. GSM termination is a beneficial business for converting VoIP signal into GSM1 by means of the GSM gateway and delivering of the call to the final subscriber.
Now we got one subscriber in the United States of America who wants to make a call, an international call by the way, to the Italy, to another subscriber of another mobile operator. After mobile subscriber of the United States of America initiates the call, the signal of this call in GSM format goes directly to the US mobile operator. For 1 minute of this call, this guy who wants to make a call to Italy pays $1 per minute to the US GSM operator. As we already know, the US mobile operator doesn't send the call directly to Italy. Instead, he converts the call signal into VoIP format, and then he uses the service of so-called carrier or a transit operator. For delivering this call to Italy, a GSM operator of the United States of America pays 50 cents for a minute of the call to a carrier or a transit operator. So we can easily see that US GSM operator earns in this scheme 50 cents per minute of the call. At this stage, the carrier or a transit operator again doesn't send the call directly to Italy. Instead, he uses the service of a small carrier or a transit operator who is ready to transmit this call at a lower price. Okay guys, so this carrier, a large carrier, doesn't want to transmit this call directly to Italy. Instead, he wants to use a cheaper service of a smaller carrier, and he sends the call again in a VoIP signal to a small carrier for a price of 35 cents per minute of this call. Here we can see that the margin of a large carrier will be 15 cents for a minute of this call. At this stage, a small carrier has few options. First, he can send this call directly to the GSM operator of Italy, or he can use a service of GSM Terminator. What is the difference? Check out next. So let's check now the option when the small transit operator sends the call directly to the GSM operator of Italy. In this case, the call signal, again in VoIP format, goes to the GSM operator of Italy, and the small transit operator pays to the GSM operator of Italy 30 cents for a minute of this call. Here we can easily see that the margin of the small transit operator in this case is 5 cents for a minute of this call. Now the GSM operator of Italy converts this call signal into GSM format and transmits it to the subscriber in Italy. For the minute of this call, the GSM operator of Italy gets 30 cents for a minute because he doesn't pay anything for it. Now let's check the case when the small transit operator uses the service of GSM Terminator. Instead of paying 30 cents for a minute of this call to a GSM operator and getting only 5 cents margin for a minute of this call, the small transit operator can send this VoIP signal call to the GSM Terminator for only 10 cents for a minute of this call and get instead the margin of 25 cents for a minute of this call. So his margin is 25 cents for a minute of this call instead of just 5 cents for a minute of this call in case of cooperation with GSM operator. So now you can see that small carriers or transit operators prefer to cooperate with GSM terminators instead of GSM operators. After receiving this call signal from a small carrier, GSM terminator, with the help of GSM gateway, converts this call into GSM signal.
GSM gateway. GSM gateway is a device that allows to convert VoIP signal into GSM signal and transmit the call using card of local operator.
As we already know, the GSM gateway has the local SIM cards of Italy inside of it and of course the opportunity to make calls. So it basically makes a local call with the help and through the BTSs of GSM operator of Italy by a local tariff of only 1 cent for a minute of this call. We can easily see now that the margin of GSM terminator is 9 cents for a minute of this call. Can you imagine that the average GSM terminator can get plenty of calls and thousands of dollars of profit daily? As you already got it, guys, the GSM terminator can get a reasonable profit with the help of the equipment called VoIP GSM gateway. So now let's find out what it is. The GSM gateway consists of GSM antennas, GSM modules for transmitting GSM calls, SIM boards to install local GSM operator SIM cards and proceed calls by local tariff. Also, GSM gateway requires a premium quality software to manage the whole process of GSM termination. In the next video, we will open all the secrets of how you do this business step by step. So stay with us, stay with Antrax Academy.